Aaron Kaufman's departure from the show underscored significant creative differences with Richard Rawlings, which drastically altered the show's dynamic and its appeal to the audience. His exit represented a pivotal moment for Fast and Loud. Following this, the departures of Tom Smith and Jordan Butler coincided with a controversial incident involving a fan. This raised serious concerns about Rawlings' behavior and his treatment of both fans and staff during tense moments. As criticism towards Rawlings intensified, it became evident how swiftly fan sentiment could change, ultimately impacting the show's reputation and playing a role in its eventual cancellation. The rise of cancel culture has amplified scrutiny on public figures, leading to significant repercussions for Rawlings due to his management of sensitive issues on his show. The Gas Monkey Bar and Grill scandal unveiled unethical practices, sparking public outrage and tarnishing Rawlings' image as both an entrepreneur and a brand ambassador. Moreover, Rawlings' legal troubles further complicated matters, transforming former allies into opponents and intensifying the skepticism surrounding his public persona. The dramatic feud with James escalated, highlighted by a viral incident where James dumped horse manure on Rawlings' driveway. This act shifted their conflict from mere industry news to a sensational spectacle on social media. In response to the growing controversy, Rawlings demonstrated resilience by refocusing on his work at Gas Monkey Garage. His decision underscored the importance of preserving a positive public image amid personal challenges. However, the show's change in direction resulted in viewer discontent. Fans expressed that the original charm had been overshadowed by a focus on sensationalism, with critics arguing that the storytelling became repetitive and less authentic. Excitement surrounding the Firebird prototypes quickly turned to disappointment as viewers recognized the vehicle's historical significance was overstated. This reaction illuminated the fine line between entertainment and authenticity. The Shart Cat episode presented a modified Dodge Dart that misled viewers about its repair process, bringing into question the show's integrity in portraying automotive restoration. Fans anticipated realistic challenges rather than quick fixes. Similarly, the Knight Rider replica episode heightened viewer disillusionment, as many felt it was overly scripted and lacked authentic hands-on car repair work. Richard Rawlings' emphasis on personal stories rather than automotive challenges disappointed many longtime fans. Fan backlash was swift. Many took to social media to voice their frustrations regarding the show's departure from genuine car restoration, leaving viewers feeling disconnected from its original essence. In an interview, Richard Rawlings opened up about his struggles with the show's demands. He expressed a desire for creative freedom and personal growth, feeling confined and distanced from his true passion. Rawlings emphasized the pressures of maintaining a successful show, which affected both his professional trajectory and personal life. He acknowledged the necessity of self-reflection to rediscover his identity outside of reality television. Feeling trapped by social media constraints, Rawlings found it increasingly difficult to share his automotive work freely, resulting in a disconnect with his audience. This disconnection strained his relationship with his fans. Adding to his frustrations, the contract imposed a clause preventing negative comments about Discovery, effectively silencing his critiques. This limitation compelled him to uphold a facade instead of sharing his authentic opinions. Ultimately, Rawlings expressed regret over surrendering control of his media portrayal, fearing it would hinder his genuine self-promotion. This concern significantly impacted his potential for growth in new creative endeavors.